No, honestly, Aunt Bob. For a dog that lives in a handbag, I think he looks pretty well.
Nonsense, Barney. Anyone can see that Chops is ill. Poor little Chopsy Wopsy. He called you just too sicky-wicky to come shopping with Mumsy Wumsy.
See, now I feel sick.
You'll have to look after him while I'm out.
Well, that's no problem. Hey, mate.
You wanted to see me, Miss Barbara, sir? No, Mum.
It's Chops. He's ill.
Setting off my allergies.
Lack of regular exercise. That's the problem.
Oh, yes, very astute, Miss Barbara, Mum. Yes. Oh, I've got some caretaker-related fitness videos, if that's any use. Mopsicise workout, that's a good one. Or sweep your way to a six-pack, yeah. That'll sort your tum right out, that will.
Exercise for Chops, you idiot, not me. When he's feeling better, I want him to have some grass to run around on in the backyard.
We haven't got any grass in the backyard, Aunt Barbara.
No. Exactly. That's why I've got these. That's grass seed plank. And I've got something else in here. An old friend gave me this. If you want your grass to grow quickly, teeny sprinkling is all you need.
Are you sure he's ill? I mean, he seems quite happy to see me.
I rest my case plank. Come along, Chops. Back you go into your bag. There's a good doggy.
Oh. Hello, Mr. Prank.
I'm sorry to trouble you, Mr. Barney, sir. The tap-out back's playing up. Had a little accident. I wonder if I can use your kitchen tap and run the hose through the window.
Yeah, sure. Come in.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Chopstick, fetch!
Ow! Why, you little...
Oops.
Oh, sorry, fellas. Something's come up. I've got to go to work. Can I leave you in charge of Chops?
Hey? Oh, no. I don't think that's such a good idea, Mr. Barney, sir.
No problemo.
Nice one, great. I'll give Aunt Barbara a call, make sure she knows that Chops is in safe hands. See you later.
Bear.
No, Miss Mandibles.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm warning you, Bear. You so much as touch this tap, and you are little blue toast. No, that's fine.
G'day, Nevy.
Crazy Keith.
Doris is hogging the tub in my lair. Candles, bath oil job. Could be weeks. Mind if I have my bath here? Did you me do that? Angry pants.
Crazy Keith, hide. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. No, not me.
I want you, Bear! In my best angry voice, I warned you, Bear. Well, no more! Bye-bye, Bear! Oh.
Can't catch me.
Hello, Miss Melanie. Miss Barbara sees this mess, I'm going to lose my job, ain't I?
Has some limbs.
Yes. Don't worry, Miss Melanie. Ain't no mess that can't be sorted out with the old caretaker's friend here.
That'll be a combine harvester, right? Or cows? Lots of cows.
No problemo.
all your fault, Bear. Spilling that special grass-growing stuff.
No, 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 no.
Better hope Auntie doesn't come back early from shopping.
Hello?
Frank, it's me. I'm coming back early from shopping.
But Miss Barbara, sir,
Why Barney would leave Chops with an idiot like you is beyond me. He'd better be all right, or it's a Chops for the pair of you.
Oh, Chops, I forgot about him. We better find him, Bear.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I reckon my dad's lawnmower could sort this grass out. I can get it for you if you want.
Oh, would you? That'd be great.
£5 finder's fee. Plus £5 super tax. Plus, I've just won a beauty contest. Collect £10.
Clear off.
Chopstick. Hello. Chip-chopperoo.
Oh, you found the dog? Great.
Look, Chopstick. Oh. Oops.
Keep looking, Bear. That stupid little mutt can't hide forever. And especially not from Andrew Prank, the 33rd Putney Boy Scouts top animal tracker. See this nose, Bear?
Big. Yeah, yeah.
And these ears.
Big, big.
Finely tuned instruments they are. Do you know, if there's an animal within, half a mile of here, they can detect them. You know what they used to call me in the Scouts, Bear?
Big nose.
No, they didn't call me Big Nose. They used to call me...
Big ears.
No! They used to call me Radar. Radar Prank. You know why they used to call me that? They called me that... Shh! Did you hear that?
What?
It's over there. I'm telling you, Bear, these instruments never lie, never lie.
Tea-potteroo.
Oh, yeah. Must have just missed him. Oh, look, Bear, I told you he's here. Look, animal dropping. Ah, what are you doing, Bear?
Doggy chalk. Yum, yum.
Hey? Well, oh, yeah, well, even David Attenborough's made that mistake, you know. Shh. Oh, I've got you now, Chops!
Snuggly ducky duck duck. Oh, love you, snuggly ducky duck duck. Mwah, mwah.
Hey, hang on, what's this? Oh, it's that special growing powder.
Sparkly.
Yeah, but look, before it was half full, and now it's nearly empty. It's like something's been eating it. Oh, it's Chops!
Giant chopstick. Run!
Oh no! We're trapped!
Oh dear.
Good doggy! Nice doggy! Settle down! Give me your paw!
Ouch.
Please don't eat me! Always dreamed I'd go out, I don't know, changing a light bulb or something. Proper caretaker's end. Not like this.
Frightened.
Bad dog. Take that. And there's another squirt for you. Bad dog.
You-wee. Love you, Crazy Keith.
Best leave this stuff out here, Nevy. Don't want chops grown anymore, right? Ain't a pooper scooper big enough as it is.
Oh dear.
Relax, buddy. Oh, know what I always say when I meet animals who've grown to a giant size? After I say, Keithy boy, now where did you put your trusty packet of...
Super shrink powder.
Yeah! A number of times I've saved the world with this stuff, mate. Look around you. It's like the giant hamster invasion of 2006 never even happened, right? Yeah. There ain't much left, though. Still, should be enough powder to shrink Chopsy back to normal.
Easy peasy.
Maybe not so easy peasy, mate. If only we had some bait. Angry Pants!
My head. What's going on? Where am I? Oh, right, gotcha. Well, on the bright side, no giant dogs. What think, man? Think. What did they teach you at caretaking school about being menaced by giant monster pets? Oh yeah, that's right. Nothing.
Easy with the super shrink powder, Nebby. We've got enough for 2 shots at hitting Chops, and no more.
Okay, Keith.
Struth! What a racket! You'd think he'd never had his whole head coated in giant dog saliva before. Anyway... voila! Outcome A. Absolutely cannot fail. Do your stuff, Nebby.
Aye, aye, Captain.
What was that?
Anyone know the Australian for oops?
A bear? I knew you'd have something to do with this.
No.
Oh.
Rightio. That'll be outcome B then.
What's happening to me? I'm gonna get you for this bear.
So, bit of telly and some ice cream then, eh? Yeah, all right. Let's go and rescue him.
Mr. Angry Pants. Mr. Angry Pants. Mr. Angry Pants!
Would you shut up, Bear? You want that monster to find me?
There's still no sign of him, Nevy. He...
Tiny Pants.
Was that someone else there?
No, just me.
I reckon we ought to sneak Tiny Pants out of the flat so old Chopzilla can't get to him.
Yeah.
Gently does it.
Here, what's happening? Where are you taking me, Bear?
Tiny Pants, shh!
Hang on. What are all these hairs in here? Oh, no. They're dog hairs. My allergies.
Wackadoo, that was close. Phew-wee, scary.
Think he was scary. You should have seen the giant hamsters of 2006.
Has Chops gone? Can I come out now?
Oh, hey guys, I'm back.
Bernie!
Hi, sorry to have left you with Chops like that, Nev. Is he okay? Sounds like he's getting worse, doesn't he? And what's weird, those sneezes sound almost human.
Yeah, about that.
Barbara, Crazy Keith, hide!
Where is he? Where's my Chopsy? If anything's happened to him, I'll...
And Barbara, don't worry, Chops is fine. Although, he has picked up a bit of the sniffles, though.
Sniffle? Oh, the poor darling. Let me have a look at you. Wish I hadn't lost my glasses, though. Can't see you very well. You You have a look.
Aunt Barbara, it's just the sniffles. I'm sure it's... Aunt Barbara, do you know what? Do you know what I really want? I would like some chopsy-wopsy time for myself. Yeah, so why don't you go and do some more shopping? Okay, chopsy-wopsy, time to go inside.
You had your chance, boy. Now give me back my chops.
What is going on? What? What is... Well, I suppose I'm going to sort this mess out, am I? Somehow. Look, whatever happens, just keep acting like a dog. Bye, Chopsy-Wopsy. Gonna miss you. There you go, Aunt Barbara.
Come along, Chops. Let's go round the back and see if that idiot Plank has started on your grass shit. Oh, honestly. Oh, he never tidies up, that one. Caretaker, careless taker.
So, bit of telly and some ice cream then, eh?
Oh, poor Chops. You're not yourself at all today, are you? Here, have a doggy choc. They always cheer you up. What? Unbelievable. 2 hours with that idiot Plank and you're off your doggy chocks. Wait till I get my hands on him.
Woof, woof, oh, woofy, woof.
Oh, that's better. Wish I could find my glasses, though. Then I could see you properly.
I've had an idea. I think I know how we can shrink giant chops. Nev, stay here. Keep an eye on Aunt Barbara.
Okay.
Keith, we need to make something. Think you can find 300 packets of doggy chocks?
Eh? What are we going to make out of 300 packets of doggy chocks? Banster, this is one giant doggy choc. And there goes the last of me super shrink powder.
Cool. How do I look?
Scarier than a giant hamster.
Wait till you hear this.
Oh, poor Chopsy-Wopsy. Ickle Diddum's too sicky-wicky to come shopping with Mumsy-Wumsy.
Now, let's go shrink some dog before my powder shrinks the chocky instead.
Here you go, my equal choppy. Have another.
Oh, no. Oh, woof, woof. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh.
You know, I may even have some tripe-flavoured ones here.
Ooh.
Good gravy, my glasses! That's where I put them. Now I should be able to see you again properly. What was that? Oh, now where are my glasses?
Ow!
Hide, Tiny Pants, hide!
Chopsy! Here, boy!
Barbara, glasses!
Uh-oh. Better be quick there, Banster.
Here, Chopsy-Wopsy! Here, boy! Doggy want a treat?
Yeah.
Not you, mate.
Wait for it! Wait for it! And go!
Good doggy. Here, Chops.
Hooray!
What's that bag, Nev?
Now, where are my blooming glasses? Oh, there they are! Now I have a proper look at my ickle-wickle-diddums, yes? Oh, you do look better. Much better. Maybe you don't need this grass after all. Come on, let's go inside, eh?
Now you can say it, Nippy.
Easy peasy.
So, where do you think old Angry Pants is hiding then? Wackadoo.
Hey, Nev. I managed to find my dad's lawnmower. It's... Seriously, that guy's 2 wine gums short of a packet.
There we are, sir. All mowed and done. Now, you sure you don't want me to weed your sofa for you?
No, thanks, Mr. Prank.
Oh, well, suit yourself. Oh, and just so there's no more giant animal shenanigans, I managed to brush myself clean of all that special growing powder. Put the little bits down the sink.
Sure, he'll be fine.
Well, I'll bid you good night, sir. There.
Yeah, but guess which crazy koala was down there at the time? Wackadoo!